Welcome to the best picks. The best hunting saddle kit is probably one of the most versatile and efficient ways to hunt from trees, offering a unique blend of comfort, mobility, and stealth that traditional tree stands simply can't match. This video will dive deep into what makes a great hunting saddle kit, exploring the essential components, setup techniques, and crucial considerations to ensure you have a safe and successful hunt. Number 5. Hawk Helium Climbing Sticks. These lightweight sticks are perfect for hunters who value portability and ease of use. Their innovative design makes climbing safer and quieter than ever before. At only 2.9 pounds per section, it's one of the lightest climbing sticks available. This makes them easy to carry into even the most remote hunting locations. They're built with aircraft-grade aluminum for superior strength and durability. You can trust them to support you safely, climb after climb. The dual-sided steps provide unmatched stability, giving you confidence whether you're going up or down. This unique design enhances safety and reduces fatigue. They fold up compactly for easy transport, and the silent lock technology keeps them securely nested. This makes packing and unpacking quick and quiet. The silent strap system and tree digger teeth add to the quiet and secure climbing experience. They're designed for stealth and confidence in the tree. What we like. It's incredibly lightweight and portable, perfect for carrying long distances. The unique design ensures stability, even on challenging climbs. If you value portability and a secure climb, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The lightweight aluminum construction makes them easy to carry. The setup is straightforward, and the traction on the steps provides great stability as I climb. I feel secure when I'm up in my tree stand. I used to have 3 to 20-inch climbing sticks, and with these 3-30-inch I lost 4 pounds off my back. There is no metal straps to clang together, so extremely quiet. The suction cups are a great way to hold them together without the steps clanging together. Number 4. Hawk Helium Hammock Hunting Saddle. Get ready to experience unparalleled comfort and portability with this revolutionary hunting saddle. It's lightweight and packable, perfect for any hunting adventure. Its innovative design makes it incredibly lightweight and easy to pack, so you can carry it comfortably on any trek. You'll barely notice it's there. Experience superior comfort with its padded seat. It's designed to keep you relaxed and focused throughout your hunt. The padded seat is removable for easy cleaning and storage. This ensures it stays comfortable and hygienic for every use. It features a durable camo design that seamlessly blends into the natural environment. This allows for a stealthy and successful hunt. Whether you're hunting in the woods or up in a tree, this hammock is your perfect companion. It's versatile and reliable. What we like. This hammock is surprisingly lightweight and easily packable, making it ideal for backpacking hunts. The comfortable design ensures you can sit comfortably for hours. If you prioritize comfort and portability in a saddle, this option is for you. What people say. I put this system through a bit of abuse over my vacation. I've spent a lot of time up in the air in better and worse equipment. If you're trying to get into saddle hunting and want safe equipment at a lower price, this is a good option. This is my first go at saddle hunting, and for the price this kit will certainly get you in a tree comfortably and safely. First off, there is a learning curve to this type of setup. Once I found what works for my size weight, 5'10", 250 pounds, it is very comfortable. The longest sit so far is 5 hours and could have went much longer. This product is exactly what you need to be ready to go tree saddle hunting. I had zero experience and was able to figure this whole setup out after watching a few YouTube videos. Hunted multiple times with Hawk Helium sticks and a ring of steps to stand on with absolutely no issues. A few times out and most people would get the hang of it. Great product, and for substantially less money than the brands all over the internet. Number 3. XOP Xtreme Outdoor Saddle System. Get ready to experience the ultimate in tree saddle hunting. This complete system has everything you need for a safe and comfortable hunt. It's incredibly lightweight and portable, making it perfect for those quick hunts. This platform is also incredibly strong and durable. The comfortable and secure harness keeps you stable and supported throughout your hunt. Enjoy all-day comfort in the saddle. This system includes the edge platform, the Renegade harness, and a convenient carrying bag. You're all set for your next adventure. It's the only TMA-approved saddle hunting system rated for up to 350 pounds, ensuring your safety and peace of mind. Weighing in at only 5.4 pounds, it's easy to pack and carry, making it ideal for any hunting situation. You'll barely notice it's there until you need it. What we like. It's a complete system, including everything you need to start saddle hunting right away. Both the stand and harness are ultralight, making it perfect for mobile hunts. Plus, it's TMA approved for safety. If you're new to saddle hunting or want a convenient, safe setup, this is the one for you. What people say. The platform is well built and comes with a lifetime metal warranty. The ropes and carabiners included are of high quality, with sewn eyes on the ropes and 3 steel screw-lock carabiners. The XOP platform is far superior to other branded platforms such as the Cruiser and Tethered. Once it's locked into the tree it doesn't move. Number 2. Muddy Skybox Deluxe Ladderstand. It lets you get a 20-foot high vantage point, keeping you hidden from your quarry. Enjoy a superior hunting experience with this elevated position. Your safety is paramount. That's why it includes a 4-point safety harness, providing stability and peace of mind while you hunt. With its large FlexTech seat, cushioned armrests, and flip-back footrest, it ensures you can sit comfortably for extended periods. Hunt longer without discomfort. The adjustable shooting rail adapts to various hunting scenarios. It offers stability for aiming and can be flipped up for bow hunting flexibility. It easily breaks down into 4 parts for transport and setup. Weighing only 82 pounds, it's easy to assemble in various locations. What we like. This ladder stand offers an elevated vantage point for a better view. It includes a safety harness for peace of mind and a comfortable seat for long waits. If you need a safe, comfortable, and elevated hunting position, this is a great option. What people say. Assembly was easy and the quality of the stand is superior to others I have purchased. I hoped for a more comfortable stand and this one delivered. This stand is super stable, and very durable and strong. Used one on a hunting in Missouri last year Saturday all day, very comfortable. Number 1. Muddy Tree Stand Harness. Hunters, meet your new best friend for safe and secure tree stand hunting. It's designed for comfort and peace of mind, so you can focus on the hunt. This harness provides exceptional comfort even during long sits. You'll appreciate the superior support and adjustability it offers. Safety is our top priority. It's built with high-quality materials and features to keep you secure in your tree stand. It's designed for ease of use, with simple adjustments to ensure a perfect and secure fit every time. Get ready for a worry-free hunt. This harness is made to withstand the elements and years of use. It's a durable and reliable investment for your hunting adventures. Upgrade your hunting experience with the Muddy Tree Stand Safety Harness. Hunt with confidence, knowing you're protected. What we like. This safety harness is a must-have for any tree stand hunter. It provides reliable safety and peace of mind while hunting. If safety is your top priority, this is an essential addition to your hunting gear. What people say. It's comfortable to wear, even with lots of layers on during the cold days. Easy to hook up to keep yourself safe. Great product, adjusts easily and it is good quality. I feel much safer now knowing that I have something I can count on to hold me if I lose my balance. Much more comfortable than what comes with most stands. Easier to put on as well. I trust that it would keep me safe though. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.